Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to Google Drive. Easy guide step by step clearly. Make sure your device is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. Click the address bar at the top of the browser window. Type Drive, Google.com, and press Enter on your keyboard. If you are already signed in, you will see your Google Drive files right away. If you are not signed in, you will see a Google sign-in page. Click the Sign In button if it appears on the page. Enter your Google email address or phone number in the first box. Click Next to continue to the password screen. Type your Google account password carefully in the password box. Click Next to complete the sign-in process. If asked, complete the two-step verification code sent to your phone or email. If you see a prompt about staying signed in, choose what you prefer for your device. Wait a few seconds while Google Drive loads your account. Check the top right corner to confirm your profile icon or initial is visible. If you have multiple Google accounts, click your profile icon to switch accounts. Select the correct account from the list or choose Add Another account. If you choose Add Another account, enter the email and password for that account. On a shared or public computer, avoid choosing options that keep you signed in. If you want easier access next time, bookmark Drive, Google.com in your browser. On Android, you can also open the Google Drive app from your home screen. If the app is not installed, download Google Drive from the Google Play Store. On iPhone, open the Google Drive app or install it from the App Store first. In the app, tap Sign In and choose or add your Google account. Allow notifications only if you want alerts about shared files and updates. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the recovery steps. If Drive does not load, refresh the page or check your internet connection again. For security, sign out by clicking your profile icon and choosing Sign Out when needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.